Good afternoon, everyone. We're here to discuss upon our topic application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in optical modulation, format identification. My name is Mohammad Moizuddin, and I've got my colleague with me, Anmol Garg. So, moving on to the introduction. So, the artificial intelligence was introduced by expert and smart for the smart environment uh, for digitalization. So the machine learning with artificial network identified the format, identification, and optical modulation. Optical modulation, which is the base format identification, enhance the um, recognition of format with low and less response for execution of the pattern. So why did we choose this topic? So this topic is the need for the expert communication system. So it can be accessed in remote location for monitoring due to less effective security. It helps in improving energy efficiency and smart environment where it can be help in saving power and reducing the usage of electricity. It will help in solving the complexities and issue with effective and expert decision making procedure. And the optical networks will require in the function of the transceivers. The research topic um, will enable the energy efficient system for the complex biological approaches with the vision based algorithms and scheduling with the expert system. And that's the reason we have chosen this topic. Moving on to the definition. So it's there is a widespread scientific discipline for a complex biological process. It enables human cognitive approach for reducing the complexities. It helps in classification of format and identification. Um, it helps in improving traffic management for by controlling traffic fault. So artificial intelligence and machine learning imaginated decision process enables routing algorithms for the management of traffic management and spectrum algorithm for the selection of light path deployment. Rest will be continued by my friend Anmol.
So the next slide is about literature review. Basically, the definition and general outline of the literature review is to neural networking for classification and system design. And the next step is about optical burst switching, clustering, and bit error estimation. Artificial agencies referred the expert system for the enhanced and smart environment for secure infrastructure with quality of the services. Artificial intelligence enables the system for solving the complex biological problems with the optical communication and self-correction based applications. Neural networking for classification and system design. Optical bus switching. First of all, talking about neural networking for classification and system design. Neural network is used for the modeling of the components and channel that is essential for the feature extraction and shallow of the system. Neural network created layered system architecture that enables the modulation and demodulation of the target task and provided execution time for the task execution. Talking about optical bus switching, there are two things. One is self-optimization and other is Markov model. The optical switch burst for is the self-optimization and self-awareness algorithm for the format identification. The switch application is based on Q-learning algorithm that proposed for the dependent signaling of the network nodes. Next is clustering algorithms. It is divided into three subdivisions. One is k-mean clustering and another is Gaussian mixed model. K-mean clustering algorithm that enhance the identification of the target format, and by using the input signals in the form of 16 QAM and 8 PSK for the automation and modification the target modulated format. And the Gaussian mix model, it is proposed for the maximize the distribution of the modulation format for the given dataset. The model distributed for the space and feature in the form of 2 and 3-dimensional format for the kernel mapping that enables the dimensions of the format. The next slide is about analysis of this paper. First, it is introduced smart environment for pattern matching. The another thing is expert system is created for this modulation. It is also used to identify the error in the network. Also, it manages the traffic with the improved decision making format identification. Basically, the analysis of journal identified the machine learning enhanced the format recognition and managed the network with less error. The basically the approach is identified the error in the network with the numerical calculation by the clustering algorithm. These are some references which we used in this one. Thank you.